Every day, more than 1.9 billion Coca-Cola drinks are consumed around the world. Behind each bottle is not just a factory, but one of the most advanced production systems ever built. Here's what most people don't realize. Coca-Cola doesn't actually produce the drink you buy. The company creates a highly controlled syrup concentrate, while independent bottling partners handle the final production. This separation allows Coca-Cola to scale globally without owning every factory. More than 90% of Coca-Cola is water. That's why every bottling plant treats water from scratch. Impurities are removed through multi-stage filtration. Then precise mineral profiles are added back to ensure the same taste in every country. The syrup is blended with purified water using automated systems accurate to microscopic levels. Even the smallest imbalance could permanently alter the flavour. Every ratio is monitored digitally around the clock. Carbon dioxide is injected under tightly controlled pressure. This locks millions of bubbles into the liquid, creating Coca-Cola's signature bite and sensation. Modern bottling lines fill, cap, and label thousands of bottles every minute. Robots and sensors work in perfect synchronization, ensuring speed without error. Cameras and sensors inspect every bottle before it enters a massive global distribution network. Because Coca-Cola's true secret isn't the formula,